Alright, so I just changed my switch right here for the line and the phono because they don't sell it anymore. It costs an arm and a leg. I was like, I should take the time to show people how to do this. So I thought I had to take apart the entire switchboard. But I'm gonna show you real quick. So let's get rid of these screws. Now that it's open, get rid of the 2 screws on the top and the bottom to access the back of the switch. So after that, you're gonna open up the switch. You're gonna see this little plug. Unplug that and unscrew the top here, and you're gonna access just that switch. You see that metal part? Okay, so that metal part is this part right here of the switch. So when you buy a $15 replacement, instead of buying this, what they sell for $50, $100 now, I don't know, it's crazy. So what I did was I got this brand new switch and I popped off the metal part. There's 2 clips on the new switch, okay? I popped off the old one on that one, left the board completely alone, okay? So inside there's going to be 2 of these, all right, and this buddy here. The switch sits in this rocker, I guess you could say. There's a hole on the other side. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hole right there, and that hole there fits into that piece there. And as you hit the switch back and forth, this thing rocks back and forth and engages these 2 pieces. I lost the other one. These 2 pieces. When you look into the switch, see here. When you look into the switch, they go this way. And again, I'm talking about this piece right here. Goes that way. Place the brand new ones in there that you took apart from the new switch. Grab the new rocker, the new top, and just clip it all back together. It should fit back and just clip back together. After that, put it all back together, and the switch, brand new. Alright, man, hope you guys learned something that helped you out, man. I'm from E3 Engraving. Hey, stay blessed, stay safe. E3_engraving on IG. Check me out. Thanks.